So welcome. We're kickstarting our field day tour here in London. We've got lots to run through this year. So without any further ado, as usual, let's get this show on the road. Welcome to our first of many field days here in London. Thank you all for making the effort to come and join us. Revizto are the team that are organising this, but this really, for us, is about creating a community of collaboration.
You're not just buying software, subscription, whatever. You're getting an access to a global knowledge base through these guys. The way we develop Revizto is we don't come and see and say, okay, tell us what we have to do. We come and ask questions. We ask questions, what is it your problem? Tell us about your problem, and we'll come up with the solutions.
My focus over the past few years has been very much looking at how we can join everything up so that we have less issues in the future. We need to fundamentally change business models and procurement, but that's a massive task. ISO 19650 enables the right useful information to be delivered to the right person at the right time and in the right way, essentially de-risking information exchanges.
We knew what we wanted at that time, we established our requirements, and for me that was a big milestone because before we went to search, we actually knew what we wanted. After comprehensive review, we decided that Revizto is the best product in the market for Canary Wharf.
The only way we did it was because of the technology, because we wouldn't have been able to get it in, we wouldn't have been able to get everything out, we wouldn't have been able to build it without BIM, and we wouldn't be able to deliver what the client wants in terms of the information and that type of accuracy without doing it the way that we did.
And when I was first shown Revizto, quite frankly I was blown away, because it was the first time I and my colleagues had seen that 2D overlay onto a 3D model. And that was a key issue for us because there was some great clash detection going on with other tools on the market in the 3D model, or there was some good reviews being done of 2D design drawings, but they were just disparate and there was no... So the productivity improvements we could see from bringing Revizto in and starting to be much more slicker at doing that 2D, doing a design review by being able to overlay the 2D drawings of the 3D was a key part of starting that journey.
It's very interesting to see what other companies are doing, and because that is the main idea of collaboration, like trying to move all forward in the same direction. I was really interested on the presentation from Emma, how like IFC and like all these formats or tools that make open collaboration possible. It benefits everyone, really.
Yeah, the first field day I was really positive. 2D and 3D could be overlaid. This is a real advantage if we could do that within HS2. I think that'd be a really positive thing.
One thing was important though was kind of building out the stamps. This was one of the features that kind of made us jump into Revizto, the ability to kind of predefine.
Thanks for joining our London Field Day. For me, being from the USA, it was great to be able to attend a field day in this part of the world. Obviously, I've gotten to attend some of our in our APAC region as well as our North American region. It was awesome to hear from some of the local customers and how they leverage Revizto, hear some of their workflows. And then for our panel discussion, we try to get outside the world of just Revizto. We talked about different technology that's being used in our EMEA region. We talked about some of the challenges that we're facing here and then how we can overcome and really push our industry to the next level of digitalization.